Hi guys, midday snack, and we're out and about. This is Yate Common. The usual dog walkers. It looks like the grass has been fairly recently cut. We've been to Costa Coffee and got ourselves takeaways with cakes. And I'm planning to try and fly that little aeroplane. Haven't flown it for over a year, and surprisingly enough the wind is picking up a little bit. It usually seems to do that when we come here and it's nice and calm, but we'll see how we get on after we've had our midday snack. Right, midday snack, seeded sourdough bloomer. That looks like I've got butter on mine, nicely melting, and Nanny's put jam on hers. I think I might just have butter. I don't think I'll put the marmalade on it. That looks lovely. So we've got a bit of sunshine outside. I've been playing with this little car. It's just not got quite enough sunlight to get it going well. It's trying, but it's not actually spinning round. So there'll be a video on that. And another solar thing I've been doing in the window there is linking him up to a supercapacitor so he might keep running when the sun goes in. And then if you watch this morning's video, you'll know that I've changed my Grandad's solar pulse motor. So we've now got a little merry-go-round on the bottom of it, instead of the big guy with a pin through the back of his neck. Didn't like that. Been doing some work on the flapper boat again. Yeah, I think that's about it for now. So we can eat that. Hi guys, midday snack, sparkling fruit juice, ham and tomato sandwiches, and crisps. We have just been out. I've actually been out and put my sailing boat on the water and sailed it. It's not in here because I've put it upstairs in one of the spare rooms just out of the way because it takes up too much space. Also tried flying that supercapacitor aeroplane. Eventually managed to get a flight out of it. Trying to figure out what I can do to see how long that fella runs at night when the sun's gone in on the supercapacitor. Probably rig up a time-lapse camera or something on him. You're not moving, why aren't you moving? Let's get it going. Give it a bit of a push, it'll be alright then. Okay, so it's still a beautiful day. Blue skies, the gentlest of breeze when I was down on the water, just right for learning how to sail a sailing boat. And now we're home for our snack. Hi guys, midday snack. Looks like ham sandwiches with some sort of relish on it of some sort, crisps, and fruit juice. Anything to show you out here that's changed? No, not really, because we've been out shopping. We actually went to a garden centre. Didn't even get out the car, it was packed solid. Amazed at that. Why are garden centres so busy when we only just got out of lockdown? Never mind. Let's give that one a hand and get it going. Yeah, I like that one. This one's in the shade now. This is the one that I'm playing around with some different bits and pieces. So it's not quite going, it's trying to go. Yeah, never mind. Let's have our midday snack. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Midday snack. Nanny is getting rather artistic here, isn't she? Clearly cheese and crackers and red onion chutney. Okay. What have I been doing? Sat in the sun for a little while. Been working on this little solar powered car, which works fine. Now I've decided to see if I can make it work with a supercapacitor to store the charge when it's in the clouds or in the shade. But I don't think it's working well enough for that. Works fine without the supercapacitor, but obviously the solar power gets moved to the supercapacitor rather than the motor while it's charging, so there's not much power going to the motor. Yeah. I think I showed you the tank this morning. I had to redo the tracks because they're rubber tracks and they've fallen apart, so I just glued them back together. I think that's about it. Nothing that I haven't already told you this morning with the breakfast video anyway. So that'll do. Snack time. Hi guys, out and about for our midday snack. King's Chase again. And we just got ourselves takeaway Costa coffee. And in there, hopefully, a couple of bacon baps. Don't see any sauce.
Do you want some red?
Yeah, I'll go for red. Right, Nanny's got to go back inside and get our sauce. Luckily we're only sitting outside. Still, I'll see how my coffee tastes while we're waiting. Hi guys, midday snack. We're at Keynsham Railway car park again. We're going to have a picnic. And when we've done that, I should probably give a couple of the cars a run. It started off cloudy this morning, but that's all burnt off. Nice and sunny now. So we'll get on with this. Hi guys, down at Porter's Head for our midday snack, coffee and a cake. The sun's out at the moment. If we spin round that way, looks a bit dark and grey up there. So I suspect it may rain later. go, there's a weather report for you. Hi guys, midday snack. We're on the toast again. Haven't put the marmalade on my toast yet. Marmalade, toast, black currant jam,
Yes.
toast, coffee. And then out here it is raining a bit, and I've just been testing this 2011 blackberry wine made by my brother or sister-in-law, not sure which one does the actual work. Tastes a little bit like sherry. Sweet and quite, I don't know, thick, I suppose is the way to put it. A bit, so I say, like sherry, like a fortified wine. Anyway, we got to go out, so I can't actually drink any more of it. Hi guys, we're in that Keynsham car park again, and we've got Costa coffee, in fact hot chocolate today, and a celebration muffin, and a tiffin. So that's our midday snack, and when I've had this I'll be running my cars around on the tarmac there, I hope. Radio control cars. Hi guys, Tesco car park out at Yate. I've been in the charity shops, didn't buy anything but had a look round. My wife's in the Tesco's clothes section at the moment, I believe, looking at clothes. And while she's doing that, I've been and got the Costa coffee, 2 flat whites and 2 celebration muffins that were half price. So I'm happy. It's just beginning to rain a bit outside, so I suspect we'll sit in here and have our midday snack. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.